Let's unlock the door to collaborative coding. Today, we're walking through cloning a GitHub repository using the power of the Windows command prompt. First things first, open your command prompt. You can typically find it by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Excellent. Now, grab the web address of the repository you want to clone from GitHub. Choose the HTTPS option. Back in the command prompt, navigate to your desired directory using the cd command. For example, to go to your desktop, use cd desktop. Time to clone. Type git clone followed by a space. Then paste the repository URL, press enter. And now, the magic happens. Git downloads all the repository's files to your chosen location. This might take a moment. Success! The repository is cloned. You'll find a new folder with the repository's name, containing all the project files. Well done! You've successfully cloned a GitHub repository. Exploring Git can be a rewarding experience, so keep learning and happy coding.